Hello, my name's Lauren from Stoke Audi, and today I will be showing you around this brand new exciting Audi A1 1.0 TFSI 30 Black Edition Sportback. It comes dressed in the eye-catching district green, shorter turn heads when on the road, and to the rear you have the privacy glass giving an air of mystery. Standing on 18-inch alloy wheels with the 7-spoke rotor design, making a bold statement with every turn. Showing you the boot area, as you can see, there is plenty of space for your every day-to-day needs. To the rear you have the stylish leather and cloth upholstery with the ISOFIX anchor point to easily install your child's car seat. Taking a look around, as you can see, there is plenty of head and leg space for both children and adults alike. To the front of the cabin you have the flat bottom 3-spoke multifunction steering wheel with the Audi virtual cockpit, and to the centre of the car's dash the MMI multimedia display and climate control. Sink into the driver's seat with the running theme of the leather and cloth upholstery with the iconic S embossed logo. Behind the wheel you have the 3-spoke multifunction steering wheel with the controls to the Audi virtual cockpit right at the driver's fingertips, and a gear shift paddle for a more convenient drive. The Audi virtual cockpit displaying key features in the driver's view, such as connection to your mobile phone device to stay in touch with loved ones, and a wide selection of your favourite DAB and FM radio stations. The MMI multimedia display going into phone apps for wireless use of Apple CarPlay or Android Auto by connection of the car's Bluetooth. In the car menu, with Audi Drive Select to choose your preferred driving mode, such as dynamic for a more sporty drive. Parking aid for rear volume settings of low, medium and high to help fit in those tight spaces. Driver assist to give you those pre-warnings on the road ahead. Media to have all your favourite apps stored in one place. Radio to choose from your favourite DAB and FM radio stations to sing along to. Telephone to stay in touch with friends and family when on those long journeys. With more features on the third page. Below you have the manual air conditioning, so driver and passenger can choose a preferred temperature. Stay connected on the go with the 12V and USB charging points. Finished off with the all-important manual gearbox with the handheld brake. If this is the car for you, call our friendly team today on 01782 488 205. Thank you.